We are Central Falls High School students, and we are environmentally literate.
Environmental literacy is
the basic understanding
of the systems of the natural world
and the interactions between living and non-living environments.
Environmental literacy is
the ability to make
responsible decisions
based on scientific,
economic,
aesthetic, and
ethical considerations.
Environmental literacy is
the confidence and motivation
to exercise rights and responsibilities
as a member of a community.
During the 2010-2011 school year, we participated in both indoor and outdoor environmental education programs with Norman Bird Sanctuary, Save the Bay, Roger Williams Zoo, and other Rhode Island environmental organizations.
We learned about important Rhode Island ecosystems such as
fields and forests,
sandy and rocky beaches,
ponds and wetlands.
In Narragansett Bay,
we learned about these ecosystems through
field studies that provided
real-world exploration and
inquiry-led discoveries. We networked with local industries.
We solve problems
through critical thinking.
We explore nature through creative arts,
history, science, and English arts.
We learned to motivate
ourselves and others.
We are improving our own community
through tree and flower plantings.
In our own city sanctuary in Jenks Park,
we look at ourselves, our community,
and the environment
with new eyes.
We are Central Falls High School students, and we